In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import an ICS file into Google Calendar step by step. This is really useful if you've been sent an event file, a schedule, a class timetable, or a calendar invite that came as an ISX file and you want to add it straight into your Google Calendar without doing it manually, one event at a time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're on the calendar page, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This opens the main settings menu for Google Calendar. From the drop-down, click Settings. Now you'll be taken to the Settings area, where you can manage all kinds of calendar options. On the left side of the screen, find the Import and Export section and click it. This is the area where Google Calendar lets you bring in calendar files from your computer. In the Import section, click Select File from your computer. A file browser window will open, and this is where you need to locate the .ix file you saved earlier. Select the correct ICS file from your device, then confirm it so it gets added to the import window. After that, choose the specific calendar you want the events added to. This step is important because if you manage multiple calendars, you want to make sure the events go into the right one. Once the file and calendar are selected, click Import. Google Calendar will then upload the ICS file and add the events to your chosen calendar. Depending on how many events are inside the file, it may only take a few seconds. Once it's done, go back to your calendar view and check that the imported events are showing up correctly. And that's it. You've successfully imported an ICS file into Google Calendar. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.